Alright guys, this was the video. As you can see, Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield is an amazing AI video generation tool. I'll keep showing you more clips and examples throughout this video so you can see the quality for yourself. Also, Seedance 2.0 is currently free, and I'll tell you exactly how many days Higgsfield is offering it for free. If you want to use the Higgsfield website to create AI videos, now is the perfect time because Seedance 2.0 is available for free for a limited time. Remember, with Seedance 2.0 you can create amazing AI films and even build your own YouTube channel. Just look at channels like Sonic Films. Their videos are getting millions of views, such as 3.2 million, 4.3 million, and even more. You can create similar AI content and grow your own channel. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step. I'll explain the most important features of Higgsfield and also compare Seedance 2.0 versus Seedance 2.5 so you know which one is better and when to use each version. Seedance 2.5 is live, and this could be one of the biggest AI video releases of the year. Right now, Higgsfield is offering a special pre-sale that gives creators 14 days of unlimited Seedance access. For the first 7 days, you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in stunning 4K quality, allowing you to generate high-quality AI videos without limits. Then, once Seedance 2.5 officially launches in 7 days, your access automatically switches to the new model for another 7 days of unlimited generations. It's important to note that Seedance 2.5 is not available on Higgsfield yet. This is a pre-sale offer, and the model will be released in 7 days. However, Seedance 2.0 in 4K is already live and available immediately. Seedance 2.5 brings powerful new features including up to 30-second continuous video generation, support for up to 50 references, region-level editing, native synchronized audio, and significantly improved prompt accuracy. If you're serious about AI video creation, this is an offer worth checking out. Scene 1. Hook Seedance 2.5 is live. The future of AI video creation is here, and this could be one of the biggest AI video releases of the year. AI video generation is improving faster than ever, and now creators can experience a new level of realism, creativity, and control with Seedance 2.5. Today, I'll show you what makes Seedance 2.5 special, what new features it brings, and how creators can get early access through the Higgsfield pre-sale offer. Scene 2. Seedance 2.5 is designed to take AI video generation to the next level. It brings more realistic motion, better storytelling, improved consistency, and powerful tools that help creators turn simple ideas into professional-looking videos. Whether you are creating cinematic films, social media content, advertisements, music videos, or creative AI projects, Seedance 2.5 gives creators more possibilities than ever before. Scene 3. Right now, Higgsfield is offering a special pre-sale for creators. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, then switch to any other Seedance for 7 more days. This means creators can start generating unlimited AI videos immediately with Seedance 2.0 in stunning 4K quality, and when Seedance 2.5 officially launches, access will automatically switch to the new model for another 7 days. Scene 4. One important thing to understand: Seedance 2.5 is not available on Higgsfield yet. This is a pre-sale offer. Seedance 2.5 will officially launch in 7 days. However, Seedance 2.0 in 4K with unlimited generations is already available right now for creators who join the pre-sale. Scene 5. So what makes Seedance 2.5 different? First, it introduces up to 30-second continuous video generation. This means you can create longer, smoother shots without breaking your story into multiple clips. Second, Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 input references. You can provide images, videos, audio, style references, and prompts to help create more consistent results. Third, it brings region-level editing, allowing creators to modify specific parts of a video without recreating the entire scene. Scene 6. Another exciting upgrade is synchronized native audio. Seedance 2.5 can generate video and audio together, including dialogue, sound effects, and background atmosphere. It also improves prompt understanding, helping creators achieve more accurate results with better details, textures, characters, and environments. With these improvements, Seedance 2.5 can be used for many creative projects. cinematic short films, action sequences, sports videos, music videos, product commercials, social media content, animation styles, and much more. If you are serious about AI video creation, this is a great opportunity to explore the next generation of AI video technology. Remember, the Presale gives you 14 days of unlimited Seedance access, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, followed by 7 days of Seedance 2.5 when it launches. Check the link in the description to lock in your access. Seedance 2.5 is changing the future of AI video creation, and this is only the beginning.